To show or hide keyboard toolbar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management and then tap Samsung Keyboard Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under Style and Layout section, tap the on-off switch next to keyboard toolbar to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will display keyboard toolbar above the number keys. As you can see, this is the keyboard toolbar where you can use to quickly access some menus or features on your keyboard, such as to access keyboard setting, to access clipboard where you can see all copied items, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.